We got a poo card from Mattel. Let's get it open. This one, I'm really eager to get into today. I'm so excited. We've got the 1995 BMW M3 LTW. Right, let's get it out. Let's get it out. Let's get on with it. Oh, this is such a cool one. I'm really hoping my one is going to be all good, with no errors or any problems. Let's hope, eh? Oh, it's going for that kind of... It's trying to be special. It's trying to, like... What's the word I want? Why can't I think of the word I want? I'm trying to slow things down for tension. Build tension for the video. I don't want that. I want to open it quickly. Yes. I want to get stuck in. Right, here we are. Oh, yeah. Now, we've owned a few BMW E36s in our time. Unfortunately, not the M3s, but, you know, we've had a few, and it's been very fun. And traumatic. A very traumatic, yet fun experience. But these are just really cool cars. They're really awesome. Let's quickly read this, and then we'll get on to unveiling the true die-cast car. When BMW created the immensely popular precision-handling high-performance M3, many people thought that was it. But they were wrong, and BMW continued to push the limits with the 1993 BMW M3 LTW. This lightweight limited edition track day model was £200 lighter than the standard road model E36, rocking an upgraded suspension, aggressive rear wing and front splitter, and aluminium doors. These external tweaks are just part of the magic. Weight reduction also came into play on the interior by stripping away the radio and air conditioning, and outfitting it with cloth upholstery and carbon fibre trim. Hot Wheels took this beauty and added back in the Eurospec engine and upgraded seats, making it a true one-of-a-kind design. Bright orange Spectre flame paint and silver painted 10-spoke rear rider wheels lend the final touches to this otherwise masterpiece. Sudden pause for a random pain in my face, as you do. Right. Are we ready for the reveal? I'm not. I'm scared there's going to be a problem with one of the lights. Oh, yes. Wow, that is an interesting colour. It's kind of doing what the Spectraflame Pink, the pink editions do. This interesting kind of browny, kind of flat kind of hue inside, and then it's shining on the edges. Oh, that's cool. Right. Oh, wow. Okay, let's try from this side. Instant. This one doesn't want to give it out. It just want to do it. It just doesn't want to do it. Oh, God almighty. Oh, imagine any old ladies or old ladies trying to collect these cars. They're not going to be able to undo that, are they? Right. One driver of the screw. Let's get this out of there. I'm so glad this is actually a acrylic case car. I was so ready to buy two of these so I could open one. But hey, I don't have to, because I can just open this and enjoy it, because I don't need to have two. Right. Let's go for the... Whoa, not ×3 yet, not yet. Oh yeah. Right, let's take a look at the base. Oh, look at that. Full exhaust detail. Wow. Yeah, very good amount of detail on that. I found recently, I think they're over-tightening the screws in some of these. And this is only a recent thing with the Mattel or the Redline Club cars. I don't know if that's just me, but they've hired someone, or they're definitely over-tightening these screws, because they're... Yeah, look, they're making flat patches on the wheels. So now when they roll, you get that kind of effect. And I know they're not for playing with, but it's just a bit of a shame. The front wheels aren't too bad, but yeah, the rear one was definitely over-tightened. Right, let's look at the details. Okay, the back is looking good. MDRE 1 E36 on the plate, so more is that more 36? Or is that M3? No, it must be more more E36. Got the exhaust there, rear light details, and the rear spoiler. Oh, yeah, looking cool. What an interesting colour that is. It's not actually showing up on the camera quite as orange. That is probably in the spoiler there. Well, that's that kind of really bright goldy orange. That's kind of how it's all shining up. It's doing it a little bit, but not enough. It really is shining this really bright orange. Like, you can sort of see it on some of the edges. I think the light is sort of swamping the camera out a bit, unfortunately. There's the front. Awesome light details. Okay, I got a pretty good one. The light details are good. The grill's all nice. Little fog lights. I have the little splitter on there as well. It's one of them colours that the camera, or this, at least this phone camera, is struggling to pick up. It's going a little bit like my desk I've built recently, where it's like this nice dark, deep, old school brown, and it ends up looking just like light coloured baby shit. And it's kind of doing it a bit with this car. It's not doing the colour enough justice, I don't think. Because it just looks really cool. A bit of interior detail. This one doesn't have opening doors, but you can still see a little bit of interior detail in there. Let's have the phone torch on and see if we can get any interior shots. Again, we got door mirrors, which is very cool. The door mirrors are also in Spectraflame, so that's a nice touch. Again, I don't think I'd mind if they just had black door mirrors. I think that would look fine too, but it is just nice to have the door mirrors. That does look good. If they do struggle with the Spectraflame on them, from what I've heard, yeah, just put them black. It'd be fine, wouldn't it? It'd be alright. Yeah, a bit of interior detail there. Oh, I didn't notice the M3 badge on the trim there. How did I not notice that? Oh, what a cool car. What a cool car. These are so cool. Right, can we get the bonnets open? He's the, you're going to have to... Yeah, way, there we go. And there is the engine details. Pretty cool, actually. Yeah, not too blobby on this one. I mean, maybe a little bit where the silver sort of just goes over the top of the strut brace, but yeah, you know, yeah, it's pretty good. It is pretty good detail. Oh, that is so cool. That is so flipping cool. I mean, it helps, obviously, that I am very much... Yeah, away with you bit. I'm very much a fan of the style of this car. I just think the design of it is really, really cool. Nice and boxy, just how I like my cars. So yeah, that definitely helps. And the fact we've owned a few, albeit not the M3s, and especially not this version, it is pretty cool to finally have one like this in die-cast form. And the orange is a very fetching colour for this car as well. I'd absolutely love it if they released one in like a green, the Boston green or something. But yeah, so get on that, Mattel, will ya? For me, you know, for me, your mate, your best buy or whatever, yeah. I joke. But yeah, this is really, really nice. So, as always, let me know what you think of this car down below. Did you pick one up from Mattel Creations? And, well, if you got any other comments, do drop them down below. I love reading your comments. I love talking to you guys, and it's all pretty cool. So yeah, cheers for watching. I hope you have enjoyed. But as always, I'll see you again at some time, at some day. Come on, hurry, in another video. Oh, hang on, it's a bit off camera. There we go. Yeah.